How to prepare piccolo coffee in all coffee shop in United Arab Emirate. Step by step, take your porter-filter, wipe off water use, digital scale, tear your porter-filter, grind coffee 20 in and yield. Should be around 36 to 40 milliliters after extraction of your espresso. Warm up your pitcher you will use to pour latte art. Why do we use 2 pitcher? Is because we need to balance the texture mix of milk. Form the good temperature for steaming. Milk is between 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, unless customer asked extra hot. Then after you will start pour latte art. But before you start extraction, flash your group head with little water, and then tighten your porter-filter, and then start extraction between 22 to 30 seconds stop extraction. If you get your expectation according coffee ground you used what is real, piccolo is double espresso with little quantity steamed milk in 4/0 cup. The coffee should be taste balanced and sweet. If I say sweet, no means you have to put sugar. No, the coffee have sweetness itself to all kind of coffee preparation. You have to remember this. All barista should have the basic skill, which are calibration, steaming milk, and pouring latte art. Okay, now let's steam. Our milk. Remember, milk should be no too much hot, because if it is hot, you will never text the flavor of the coffee. That is why you have to focus on that. How do you know temperature of your steamed milk? When you start steaming, touch to your pitcher, use your hand if you start feels hot, stop your teaming in 20 seconds, or if you are beginner, use thermometer. Then after steam, pour milk in pitcher, you warmed already and start pour your latte art and enjoy your cup of coffee. Ooh, well, like and subscribe for more video like this, and thank you for watching.